Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frittata in a pan. First, let's prepare our egg base. You'll need about 8 large eggs, whisked thoroughly with 1/4 cup of milk or cream to achieve a light, fluffy texture. Don't forget to season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, fold in about 1/2 cup of your favorite grated cheese like Parmesan for an extra layer of deliciousness. This simple mixture is the heart of your perfect frittata. Next, we'll prepare the delicious fillings for our frittata. Grab a 10-inch oven-safe, non-stick pan and heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your favorite vegetables, perhaps some diced bell peppers and onions, until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. If you're adding cooked meats, like ham or sausage, toss them in for another 2 minutes to warm them through. This step builds the foundational flavors. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour your whisked egg mixture evenly over the sautéed fillings in the pan. Keep the pan on the stove top over medium-low heat. Let it cook undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice the edges of the frittata beginning to set and firm up. Give the pan a gentle shake. The center should still be slightly liquid but not completely runny, indicating it's ready for the next step. To finish our frittata, you have 2 great options. You can transfer the pan to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 10 minutes until the center is fully set. Alternatively, for a quicker finish, broil it for 2 to 3 minutes until the top is beautifully golden brown. Once cooked, let your frittata rest for 5 minutes. This allows it to firm up before you slice it into 6 to 8 perfect wedges and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.